In this video, we'll cover production LLMs using Wallaroo and look at how we can address hallucinations by deploying a RAG pipeline with an open source LLM. Let's get right into it. Once we're connected to our Wallaroo client and a workspace, we'll see how in 3 steps we're able to deploy a RAG pipeline. In our first step, we upload 2 models, the first of which embeds our prompt and the second which uploads Llama, fetches our context and uses it for generated text. Let's go ahead and upload our embedding model. We'll see that when uploading this model, we tell Wallaroo that its framework is a custom type. That's because this model takes advantage of Wallaroo's custom bring your own predict framework. I've already gone ahead and unzipped the contents of my custom embedding model and have the main py file open. In it, we will see the Wallaroo BYOP framework in action. The framework is lightweight and highly customizable. This is where we load our models and embed our prompt, getting it ready for our vector database, and that's really the meat of our embedding model. Now, if we head back to our notebook, we can go ahead and upload our second model in the same way we did our first, except this time we'll pass it to our BYOP, which loads Llama, retrieves our context, and generates our text, having uploaded our models. We're now ready to move to our second step, and in this step we can go ahead and configure our deployment. We'll tell Wallaroo how many CPUs and how much memory we wish to allocate to each model. And although our deployment configuration can make use of GPUs, an Easter egg here is that we're using a quantized version of Llama which can be run on a CPU. Once we're finished with our configurations, we can move on to our third and final step. In our third step here, we're able to use our uploaded models and configurations to go ahead and deploy our pipeline. This is where we can tell Wallaroo to chain models by adding them in the sequence which we expect them to take place. And with those 3 steps, we're able to deploy a RAG with LLM workflow. Wallaroo takes care of the rest, from packaging the models to the pipeline infrastructure. Once deployed, we're now able to test our pipeline. To do that, we've come up with a prompt here, and we'll use the pipeline infer function for our generated text. Our vector database is filled with knowledge about videos, and so we're asking our LLM to suggest an action movie. And with that, you can see that it's gone ahead and generated text for action movies and provided a suggestion. So that's how, with the help of Wallaroo, we just saw how we can deploy RAG with an open source LLM to help us address LLM hallucinations.